she grinned and grinned to see Jack's brown paper. Jack smiled too and winked at Jill. They went to fetch the water. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. This time out they didn't fall down and fetched the pail of water.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
This is the Finger family.
How do you do?
Hey kids, my name is Humpty. Let me introduce you to my friends today. They are the shapes. My friend Square, hello, how are you? I like your four corners, your four sides are equal to. My friend Circle, you are so round and round. You are so round that your end is not to be found. My friend Circle, you are so round and round. You are so round and you roll on the ground. My friend Heart, you're so curvy and so smart. A symbol of love for everyone. You are such a sweetheart. My friend Oval, you and Circle are not the same. The circle is round as round can be. Oval looks like an egg, you see. my friend star, shining in the sky so far. 5 little points and many sides too. With wishes he makes dreams come true. My friend rectangle, you 4 points and 4 right angle. Your 4 sides are not the same, 2 sides short and 2 sides long. You look like a window frame. My friend triangle, you 3 points and 3 angles. Count the lines, how many you can see. There are 1, 2, and 3. So you see, these are the shapes, my friends. Meet you again next time. Bye bye till then.
In the kitchen and aprons on, the kids are ready to bake a dough. With a giggle and a grin they start to play, making the cake in the sweetest way. Cooking, it's so much fun, making treats for everyone. Stirring, baking all day long, cooking is where we belong. We'll measure the flour and add some sugar and mix it together with so much vigor. We'll pour it in the pan and stick it in the oven and wait for it to cook. And then cooking, it's so much fun, making treats for everyone. Stirring, baking all day long, cooking is where we belong. The cake is in the oven, the cookies on the tray. The kids are excited in every single way. With the timer set, they can hardly wait for the treats to come out, it will be their great. The cake is laid out on the table with grace, and everyone gathers with a smile on their face. They take a bite and their eyes light up. It's the most delicious cake they have ever had, yup. So come on kids, let's get cooking, making treats to have everyone looking. With love and joy we will make a feast. Cooking is the ultimate treat.
Humpty the train went to Christmas land. He went to Christmas land to meet the snowman and his friends. Santa Claus is on the train waving endlessly. He loves Humpty and his friends right through the Christmas tree. Santa's elves carry gifts for Humpty and his friends. Humpty loves the gifts and so do all his friends. Humpty the train moves through the snowy terrain. It's white and white all around with snow filling up the land. Santa Claus and Humpty the train are having a jolly good ride. It's the season for all to celebrate and share jolly good vibes. Santa Claus is on a ride. Let's celebrate with Humpty the train and go for a jolly good ride.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. He followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. So the teacher turned him out, turned him out, turned him out. So the teacher turned him out, but still he lingered near. And he waited patiently, patiently, patiently. And he waited patiently till Mary did appear. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
I have a garden at the back of my home where my family grows fresh veggies. They are planted in a row. We tend to our veggie garden, no, it's lots of fun as we sing and shout and laugh about in the morning sun. The seeds are planted in the soil along the garden rows. The sunlight now will help them out as we watch them grow. We planted carrots, peas and onions with sweet potatoes. And we made a scarecrow to shoo off all the crows. We watered them daily in the morning time. We nurture and take care of them until they are done. Weeks passed and months passed as we watch them grow. Tiny little vegetables all in a row. We tend to them with love and care until they're big and round. Ripe and sweet veggies, they're shining in the sun. Now the time is right for us to pluck them from the soil bed. We pull them out and laugh about as we fill up our baskets. We are all so happy now 'cause our work is done. We love and care for our veggie garden, oh what fun! I have a garden at the back of my home where my family grows fresh veggies. They are planted in a row. We tend to our veggie garden, no, it's lots of fun as we sing and shout and laugh about in the morning sun.
Mind your manners and be polite. Don't be rude and always be nice. Must be gentle and must be kind. Always say thank you with a smile. Say thank you and say please. Pardon me, excuse my sneeze. Close your mouth when you eat food. We don't want to be rude. Hold your knife upon the right. Always try to eat right. If someone goes achoo, always say God bless you. Love your friends and be polite. Sharing your toys is fun and nice. Have patience, wait for your turn. These are the things that we must learn.
It's bedtime now, but we don't wanna sleep. Just one more game would be a real treat. What can we play at the end of the day? Daddy comes up with the late night game. Guess the shadows we can make on the wall with our 10 little fingers and just a blank wall. Guess the shadows we can make on the wall. It's a fun time for one and all. We bring our torches and darken the room. With the light of our torches, shadows fill up the room. We make shadows of animals and birds too. A fun game for one and all. Mom makes a rabbit, Daddy makes a bear. My brother makes a spider climbing onto Daddy's hair. My sister makes a pony, I make a swan. And that's the way we play with shadows all night long. At the end of the game we put our torches away. It's time to go to bed and meet the brand new day. But as the night rolls in, we will be ready to play the game of shadows that we make on the wall.